They're very different. So we took them to the cross country. Oh yeah, dude, it was good. I think if this is like a movie, maybe there would have been 6 episodes like this. That's how we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch, I've been sleeping. I forget what's the East.
Rushing on is like
Why you not coming to the theater?